Good morning to one and all. Today I am going to discuss concept 1.3 squares and square roots. In this video I am going to teach you that question numbers 6 to question number 11 to 20. The question number 11 to 20 I will teach you in this video. In the previous video, in the part 1, I discussed with you question number 1 to 10. So in this video I am going to discuss with you 11 to 20. Okay, in that first question we have, okay, the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the following numbers is 8, 59, 20. By using that number, the smallest square number that must be divided by these three numbers. Okay, so first we need to find the LCM. So LCM of 8, 15, 20 is equal to, just we can find here. So 2 4s are 15 as it is, 2 10s are. Is there any 5 table you can take? 4 as it is, 5 3s, 5 2s. Next 2 table, 2 2s, 3 as it is, 2 1s. So you can multiply 2 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40, 40 into 3, 120, which is equal to 120 will come. So that square number must be the multiple of 120. Must be multiple of 120. What is the multiples of 120? We have 120 into 120, 122 is a 240, 243 is a 123 is a 360, 480, 600, 720, okay, 840, next 960, 1000, okay, so 1080, 1200, like that. Is there any prime number which is that number must be the multiple of 120? You can check the prime numbers. Okay, see here. Next 120 after, if you go like this, so finally 3600 you will get. 3600 is the multiple of 120 you will get. So is 3600 is the smallest perfect square which is divisible by 8, 15, 20. Okay, if you write the multiples, so you will get one of the multiple as 3600. Okay, so then the required number is required square number is equal to 3600. Okay, so next question we are going to discuss 12th question. In this question I am going to find square root of a number by using the division method. Yes, so we are going to divide. First we need to make a bar for every two numbers. For every pair we need to give the bar from left to right, okay. So in the first bar what we have 44. In the 44 to the nearest to this 44, the nearest square number what we have, 6 6 are 36, 7 7 are 49. That number should be nearest or equal to this 44. So equal to 44, no, nearest 44 is not a perfect square. So you can nearest perfect square is 36. Don't take more than 44. Okay, 7 7 are 49. Don't take more than this number. Okay, so nearest perfect square how much? 6. That 30. Nearest perfect square is how much? 36. That 36 how you will get? By which product? 6 into 6. Yes, 6 6 are 36. Here we need to write one number here. Next 6 6 are 36. Subtract 44 minus 36. So 14 minus 6, 8. So here 44 minus 36 how much? 8. Next draw down this bar number. Under the bar what are the digits for? 89. So 89 we need to write. Next this number we need to add for this 6. So 6 plus 6, 12. Here one digit will come, here one digit will come. Okay, see here. Next, here which digit you are going to write? The same digit we need to write, and we need to multiply with this number. Okay, suppose if you want to write 1, here also we need to write. With this one we need to multiply this whole number. Okay, which digit you are going to write? That is the digit we should write here. And with this digit we need to multiply this number, this whole number. Suppose 121 into 1, 121. Okay, if you want to do write 2 means 122 into 2. Here also we need to 2. So this 2, with this 2 we need to multiply. 122 into 2, 442. So 123 like this. 123 into 3, 963. So like that if you check, 127 into 7, 7 sevens are 49. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 1, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 1, 8. So 889. So what you, for which number, which number we got this 889? So into 8, into 8. If you go like this, you will get any one of the number nearest to this number are equal. Okay, so it is a perfect square, so that we will get equal. So into 7 into 7, so that is 889. So that is equal to 0. So the square root of 4489 is equal to 67. Okay, check for this question. 3249. Yes, so make a bar for this and divide. Okay, make a bar. Now, what is the nearest perfect square to the 32? 25. Yes, that 25, how you will get 5 into 5. So 25. Next, 32 minus 25, 7. Next, draw down next bar number. So this 5 we need to add this number. What number is there? That number must be added to this number. 5 plus 5, 10. So 10. Here next one digit will come. Here also one digit will come. What you are going to write? The same digit we need to write here. So 101 into 1, 101, 102 into 2, 204, 103 into 3. Okay, so that is 309 like that. One I am taking here 107 into 7, 7 sevens are 49, 4 carry. 7 into 0, 0, 0 plus 4, so 4, 7 1 is 7, 740. So into 7, which is equal to 749. So it is equal to 0. Therefore, square root of 3249 is equal to 107. Sorry, 57. What is the number we have? That only, 57. Next, 5776. Okay, make a bar and write down here. Okay, next. What is the nearest square to the 57? 49. Yes, so 7 into 7, 49. And subtract. 57 minus 49, how much? 57 minus 49. So that is 8. 876. So this 7 we need to add here. 14. Okay. So nearest perfect square. So you can take 4. So 4, here one digit will come, here one digit will come. So if you write here 4, so 144 into 4. So 4 4s are, you can take 6, no problem. 6 6 are 36. 6 4s are 24, 27. 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So 146, 6 here. So it becomes 876. It becomes 0. So square root of 5776 equal to 76. Okay. Likewise, we are going to find for fourth question 3136 is, so square root, make a bars first. Okay, nearest the perfect square to the 31 is 25. That 25 we can write as 5 5s are 25 and subtract. 31 minus 25, 6. 636. We need to draw next. So 5 plus 5, 10. Here one digit will come, here one digit will come. Into 6 you can write. So 636 you will get. 106 into 6. So that is 6 is the 36, 3 carry. 6 into 0, 0, 0 plus 3, 3, 6 1 is 6, 636. It is equal to 0. So then square root of 3136 equal to 56. Likewise, we are going to do find by using the long division method, division or long division method. Now I am going to discuss with you 13th question. 13th question we have. So find the square root of the following decimal numbers. We need to find the square root of this following decimal numbers. Let us see how we are going to find. So first we have to write in the P by Q form. How we are going to write in the P by Q form? How many decimal places we have? 2 decimal places. So that is 5184 by 100. So 51.84 we can write as 5184 by 100. So this we need to find the square root. Yes, square root symbol we can write. First we can find the square root of 5084. 5084 by this we can write as square root of 100. Okay, so square root of 5084. So you use the long division method, you can find. Okay, so 51 nearest to square is 7. 7 sevens are 49. Here 284. So add 7 here, it becomes 14. So 122 2s are, so 284 will come. So what is the square root of 5184? 72. By square root of 100 is 10. 72 by 10 is, we can write 7.2. The square root of 51.84 is how much? 7.2. Similarly, likewise, in the same manner. So this we can write as 4225 by 100. So we need to find the square root. Yes. So square root of 4225 by 100. This we can write as square root of 425 by square root of 100. So square root of 4225. Use the long division method and find. Nearest to square is 6. 6 6 are 36. Again 625. Add 6 here. 6 plus 6 12. So 125 5 is 625. So square root of 4225 is 65. And the square root of 100 is 10. 65 by 10 which is equal to 6.5. So that square root of 42.25 is 6.5. Similarly, next square root. This we need to write in the p by q form. 3136 by 100. Square root of 3136 by 100. This we can write as 3000 square root of 3136 by square root of 100. So we need to find square root of 3136. So by using the long division method we can do here. So here 5 5s are 25. 6 36. So add 5 here. 5 plus 5 10. So 10 into 6 106 into 6 636 will come. So what is the square root of 3136 is 56. Square root of 100 is 10. So which is equal to 56 by 10, 5.6. Okay. So this is the way of finding the square root of the decimal numbers. First, now I am going to discuss with you 14th question. So the 14th question we have that find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square to obtain. Okay. So these given numbers are not a perfect square. So these are more than a perfect square. We need to do subtract some number. Okay. So by what is the least number to be subtracted from these numbers? So it becomes a perfect squares. And what is, if you after that, what is the perfect square of that number obtained? They are asking. Okay. What is the square root of the perfect square? What we obtained. Okay. See. So to find what we okay. So to find the least number subtracted from the given number, so we should use long division method. Division method or long division method. Okay, both are same only. Okay, we must be use the division method. We should not use prime factorization. Prime factorization is we should use for multiplication. Least number multiplied or divide. That case. So the least number subtracted or added case, we should use the long division method. Let us see that process. So 1989 is not a perfect square. We need to do subtract some number. So by using the long division method, let us see here. So we need to make the bars first. So 19 we have the first bar. Okay, first pair. So what is the nearest square to the 19? 4. 16. 16. That how you are going to get 16? 4 4 is 16. Now 19 minus 16, 3. So 4 you can add here, it becomes 8. Here 1 digit will come, here 1 digit will come. So 389. So 83 into, you can take 84 into 4. So 4 4s are 16 and 4 8s are 34. 4 8 is a 32, 32 plus 1 33. If you take 85 into 5, so 5 5 is a 25, and 5 8 is a 40, 40 plus 2 42. So 425 will you take, or 336? Which is nearest to 389? 336 only we should take, into 4 into 4. So then it becomes 336. Subtract now. 9 minus 6, 3. 8 minus 3, 5. So what is the number we obtained? 53. So therefore if we subtract 53 from 1989, then it becomes a perfect square. Then it becomes a perfect square. Okay. Okay. See, this 53, if you subtracted, that number is equal to 1989 minus 53 equal to, that is 631. So 1936. 1936. The square root of 1936 equal to, what is the number we have obtained? Here 44 only you will get. Okay. So likewise we are going to simplify. Next question, 3050. It is not a perfect square. It is, this number is greater than the required perfect number. So nearest to perfect square is 25. So into 5 into 5, 25. Next 7. So this 5 you need to add here 7. So 5 plus 5, 10. Here one digit will come, here one digit will come. Next number 50, 750. 107 into 7. 107 into 7. 7 sevens are 49, 4. 7 into 0, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 7 ones are 7, 749. So 107 into 7 you can take. So 749, which is extremely equal to, nearly equal to. So which is equal to 1. So what is the number we have? 1. If you subtract 1, so therefore if you subtract 1 from 3250, then we will get a perfect square. Then it becomes a perfect square. So if you subtract it, 3250 minus 1, 3249 you will get. So 3249 is a perfect square. Square root of 3249 equal to, which is equal to 57. What is the number we have obtained? 57 only. Now the next question, 825. So you make the bars first. So here 8 we have, nearest to square is 4. So 2 2s are 4, and 8 minus 4, 4. Draw down these two digits, and these 2 we should add here. So 2 plus 2, 4. So here one digit will come, here one digit will come. Okay. So you can take here 47 into 7. So 7 sevens are 49. 4 carries, 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 4, 47 into 7. So that is 7 sevens are 49. And 4 carries, 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 4, 32. Next 48 you can take. 48 into 8. So 8 8 is 64. 6 4 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 6, 38. 384. If you take 49 into 9, so 9 9s are 81. 8. 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 8, 441. So this is greater than required number. The nearest number is 384 only. So that is into 8 into 8. So it becomes 384. So 1 4 41. So therefore if you subtract 41 from 825, so then it becomes a perfect square. Then it becomes perfect square. So if you subtract 41 from the 825, so it becomes 5 minus 1, 4. So 782 minus 4, 780. So square root of 784 is equal to that number we have 28 alone. Okay, next number. Okay, next number we have 4000. So 4000 is not a perfect square. Just you can make a pairs. So 40, write down the bars likewise. So and the nearest to perfect square is 36. 6 into 6, 36, and 4, 0, 0. So 6 we can add 12. What digit we are going to write? Same digit we need to write here. So 123 into 3. So it becomes 963. And 124 into 4, 8, 16. 2 4s are 8, 9, 4 1s are 4. So 498 is greater than 400. So 369 is the nearest number. So that is 123 into 3, that is 369. Subtract here. Subtract means 10 minus 9, 1. Here 9 minus 6, 3. So it becomes 0. So therefore if you subtract, you can write here. If you subtract 31 from the 4000, it becomes a perfect square. You can write, and 4000 minus 31. 4000 minus 31 how much? 3969. 3969 is the number. So the square root of 3969 equal to 63. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, now I am going to discuss with you 15th question. We have that find the least number which must be added to the each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. Okay, so the given following numbers are not a perfect square. So if you add some number to these numbers, it becomes a perfect square. So after adding, you will get a perfect square. So what is the square root of that perfect square also is asking. Okay, so we need to find first how much we need to add. See, this is also for this method also we should use long division method only. Okay, prime factorization method for multiplication, division, and division method for we should addition and subtraction cases. Okay, let us see here. 1750, make a bars. Your nearest square is 16. 4 4s are 16. 150. So here 4 we need to add here. So 4 plus 4, 8. Here 1 digit will come, here 1 digit. So nearest number. So 81 into 1, 81. 82 into 2, 4. 8 to the 16, 164. Okay. Here what I am going to take here, what number we have to take here, 81 or 164. Generally we will take generally in the all cases we will take 81 itself, nearest and less than. But what is the question we have? If you add some number, to this 1750, it become a perfect square. So if you add this number, if you add some number to the given number, it will increase or not? Yes. So that number is greater than this number. Okay. So that we need to take the very next greater than this number. So very next greater than number what we have? 164. 83 into 3 also your greater number. But very next number, very next greater than number. Okay. 82 into 2, 164. Okay. So we need to take here 164 and subtract 160. How we are going to subtract? 164 minus 150. So that is 4, 1. So 14 you will get. Okay. You should subtract this number minus this number. Yes. So this is the very, very important in the addition case. Okay. We should take the very next greater than number, greater than multiple, and we should subtract this number minus this number. Okay. 164 minus 150, 14. So therefore, what is the number we obtained? 14. Therefore, if we add, so this 164 82 into 2. So yes. So if we add 14 to the 1750, then it becomes a perfect square. Then it becomes a perfect square. perfect square number. Okay, what is that number if 1750 plus 14 equal to 1764? Then square root of 1764 equal to, what is the number? 42. 42 into 42, you will get 1764. In the same process, make the bars and draw number. So what is the nearest square? 16. So into 4 into 4. So 16. Okay, 2, 2, 5. Okay, 225. So now add 4 this to 8. Here 1 digit, here 1 digit. 8 into 1, 81. 8 into 2. Okay, 164. 83 into 3, 9, 249. Okay, so the very next greater than 225 is 249. Yes, so that is into 3 into 3. So that is equal to 249. So how we are going to subtract 249 minus 225? That is 4, 2. So that is, if this is equal to 24. So therefore, if you add, you can write like this. If you add 24 to the 1825, then it becomes a perfect square. Let us see here. 1225 plus 24 equal to 1849. So the square root of 1849 equal to 43. Okay. Next, 6412. So make a bars, and 8 8s are 64. Yes, nearest. And 18 add 8 plus 8 16. Here draw down 12. Okay, so here, so if you, what digit will come, that also here, that digit only here will come. 160, if you write 0, 160 into 0, 0, less than 0. Next, 161 into 1. So 161 into 1, 161. Yes, so how we are going to be subtract 161 minus very next greater than, this is 161 only. So 161 minus 12, so that is 2. 11 minus 9, 2 is 9. Here 5 minus 1 is 4, 1. 149 will come. So therefore, we need to, therefore if 149 added to the 6412, then it becomes a perfect square. You can write those. And 6412 plus 149. 149, if you add, you will get the number as 11, 1, 6, 5, 6. So it will, you will get 6561. The square root of 6561 is equal to 81 itself. Okay. Next question, 525. So 25, bar, take a bar and add like this. So 2 2s are 4. Okay. 1, you add 2 plus 2, 4. Here 1 digit will come, here 1 digit will come. Okay. Into 25 you can draw down. 41 ones are 41. 42 2s are 84. 43 3s are 9. 129. So what is the very next number? 129. Okay, very next greater than. So into 3, 129. So 129 minus 125, 4. So therefore, if we add 4 to the given number, it becomes a perfect square. If you add 4 to the 525, it becomes 529. So 529 is the square root of 529 is equal to 23. Yes. Likewise, we are going to find. Now I am going to discuss with you 16th question, that find the length of the each of the side of the square whose area is 441 meters square. So the square is there. So this area is 441 meters square they given. So we need to find each side. So we don't know the side. So let the side be x, you can consider. Let the side of a square be x meters. Then area equal to area of the square. How much the given? Area of the square equal to 441 meters square. Area of the square equal to form side into side. That is x into x equal to 441. X square equal to 441 and x is equal to square root of 441. Square root of 441 is 21. So that is x is equal to 21 meters. So that is nothing but a, therefore the side of the square is how much? 21 meters. Now I am going to discuss with you 17th question. 17th question, they given to us that a gardener has 1000 plants. How many plants he has? 1000 plants. Okay, he wants to plant these in a such a way that number of rows and the number of columns remain same. The number of rows and the number of columns are same. Okay, and find the minimum number of plants. He needs more for this. Okay, he wants to plant the same number of columns and the same number of rows. So how many plants he has now? 1000 plants. So if you arrange in the same number of columns and same number of rows, this 1000 plants are not enough. You need some more plants. Okay, so more means we need to add. Yes, so addition case, what number to be added to the 1000? It becomes a perfect square. So that's the same case. Same addition case, which method we are going to do? Long division method. So that is, so we should do the long division method first. So what is the nearest square to the 10? 3. So 3 3 is a 9 1 0 0. So now here 3, if you add 6, here 1 digit, here 1 digit. 61 1 is 61, 62 2 is 124. Okay, so 124 minus 100, 24. So we should take, because we are addition case we are doing, so we need to take very next greater multiple. Yes, so that is 124 minus 100, 24. So if we add 24 trees to the, how many more plants he need to arrange in the same number of columns and same number of trees? He needs, therefore he needs 24 plants more. Okay, so if you add 24, it becomes 1000 plus 24 equal to 1024. So 1024 is nothing but so he need to have 32 rows and 32 columns. These are the 32 and these are the 32 columns. So in these columns, if they arrange, so these 1024 are exactly enough for that. Okay, okay. Now I am going to discuss with you 18th question, that find the least square number which is exactly divisible by 10, 12, 15 and 18. So this question is same as the 11th question only. So for this also we need to find LCM, the least number. Okay, LCM we need to find first. LCM of 10, 12, 15, 18. So that is 5 2s are 12 as it is, 5 3s 5 18 as it is. Next 2 table, 2 1s are 2 6s are 3 as it is, 2 9s are. Next 3 table you can take 1 as it is, 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. Multiply now, 5 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 2s are 60, 60 2s are 180. Okay, so that number must be, that least square number, that square number must be the multiple of 180. Then only that required square number should be divisible by these 4 numbers. So write the multiples of 180, 180 comma 360 comma 540 comma 720 comma 900. So 900 is a perfect square number. Yes, 30 into 30, 900. What is the required perfect square number? 900. Therefore the required square number is equal to 900. So this 900 will be divisible by these all 4 numbers. Okay, next question. 19th question we have that find the smallest number that must be added to 1780 to make a perfect square. So find the smallest number which to be added to this number. So addition case, which method we need to follow? Division method. Yes, so make a bars and do divide. So nearest square is 16 into 4 into 4, 16. So that is 180. Next 4 we need to add here, 4 plus 4 8. So here 1 digit will come, here 1 digit will come. Into 2 into 2, 162 into 2, 82 into 2, 164. So 164 is less than 180. So 83 into 3, 9, 249. So we take very greater than next number. So 83 into 3, that is equal to 249. So 249 minus 180, 9. So it is 6. So 69. What we need? 69. So therefore, if we add 69 to 1780, then it becomes a perfect square. Okay, so next question. So find the square root of this method by using the long division method. So you can use any method. So if you use if the number is very large, okay, if the number is very large, so we can use long division method. So this is the greatest number. Okay, next question we are discussing 10th question. Find the square root of 14,71,369. So if it is a very large number, so it is better to use the division method. So division method we need to use for, so make a bars first. So here 1 we have 1 bar. So 1 is the nearest square. So 1 into 1. Next this one we need to add here. 2 will come. Here 1 digit will come. Here 1 digit will come. But draw down next. So into 2 into 2. So 22 into 2, 44. 22 into 2, 44. So 44 is the nearest square. Next 3. Next bar we have 13. 313. Yes. So now here this we need to add these 2 here. So 2 plus 24 will come. Here 1 digit, here 1 digit. So 241 into 41. So 241 will come. This is 2, 7 will come. Okay. 7, 6, 9. Okay. 7 to 6, 9. So now that one add here. 1 plus. So 2, 4, 2. Here 1 digit, here 1 digit. Into 3, into 3. So that is 2423 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 7, 7269. Yes, so 7269 becomes 0. Therefore, square root of 14,71,369 equal to, that is 1213 is the required answer. Okay, so in this video I discussed with you 11 to 20 questions. Okay. In the next video, I will prepare for objective questions mains. Thank you.